Are you just browsing our website, searchtexashomes.com, looking at different homes? I hope you are, and I hope you're getting just the right ones you want to see. And if you're not, give us a call. We'll make adjustments. No worries. We're not going to try and sell you a home. None of that. We don't own any of those homes, right? Other people own those homes. And we don't try to solve a problem unless a problem exists. And if you have a problem, which is you need a new home, right? And most people need a new home, not because they need new bedrooms and bathrooms. They need new bedrooms and bathrooms so they can have a different experience in life, right? Where you're at today, whether you're paying a mortgage on a home you own or whether you're paying the landlord's mortgage, you're paying a mortgage. But if you're paying the landlord, it's 100% interest because none of it goes into your pocket. If you at least have your own home, a portion of that goes into your equity bank, into your equity account, your house account. You keep some of it, right? So people say, I got to wait till the interest rates go down. And some people say, I'm going to wait until prices go down. And I've been talking to some people for 3 years and they're just waiting. And the market keeps going up and down, right? When's the right time to buy a house? The right time to buy a house is when you need to buy a house. Again, you don't want new bedrooms and bathrooms. You need a house that's going to support the vision you have for your experience of life for the next 3, 5, 7, 10 years and beyond. Because where you live now, it's just not right. There's not enough room. What will more room give you? More room will give you a place for that piano for your children. That'll give you a place for your own workshop. That'll give you that family area you've always looked for. As the family grows, you can have more people in that area to have fun and have get-togethers and have those experiences with your friends coming over, or a place where you can come home and just know it's yours. Shut the door. You don't have to answer the phone. No one's going to come and ask you for something. It's yours. You can sit out back and just relax. It's those kind of experiences, knowing that you're building wealth. And owning real estate's the #1 way to do that. So when the time is right, look, we're not trying to sell you a home. I always say, we'll never say you should buy that. I think that's a real shitty thing to say. But what we'll do is we'll learn about what you want, need, and deserve. We're gonna line that up. We're gonna help align all the factors up to help you get clarity and lead you through the process so you can participate in making the best decision of your life, to get the perfect home at the right price, the right terms, in the right location, and it's a great investment. That's what we do here at the Martin Home Team. If you're looking at new construction, if you're looking at resale, either which way, and you like what you're hearing here and you just want to keep gathering information, because that's what it's all about, getting perspective. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel below. Ring the bell for notifications so you never miss a beat. You have all the latest and greatest on the towns, communities, and homes and builders north of Dallas, Texas. And when the time is right, give us a call, shoot us a text, send me an email. Best yet, right down below, schedule a Zoom call, and we'd love to help you move with confidence. This is Phil Martin, the Martin Home Team, and live north of Dallas, Texas. Talk soon.